Good morning, class 1. Welcome to your literature class, children. So, in the previous day, we were discussing chapter 7 of your book. We have completed page number 65. Today, we will do page number 66 of your book. Okay, so open your book at page number 66. Okay, so what was the name of the chapter? The belly and the members. The belly and the members. Right here, what we were discussing is one day all the parts of the body they met together, they get together. Okay, and then what happened? They were discussing about what is the function of belly. They were discussing about the function, the work that the belly does to help the body to work properly. Okay, now let us see. Come to page number 66. So now first this hand. This is also part of our body. Hand said, the belly is not doing enough work. It doesn't help the body in any way. According to the hand, the belly is not working proper work. Okay, and it is not helping the body any way. Okay, then the teeth. Teeth said the belly spends its time lazily eating food. According to the teeth, the belly it spends its time lazily eating food only, and while all the other members do all the work. All the work is done by the other members of the body, and the belly it keeps on eating throughout the day lazily. Okay, then the brain said we have decided that we are not going to feed the belly anymore. Brain said that we have decided that we will not feed the belly anymore as it is not doing any work. Mouth said because it does nothing to help us and it is lazy. And then mouth agreed to the brain and said that because it is very lazy and it is not doing any work, so we will not feed the belly anymore. So for a day or two, the hands refused to take the food, the mouth refused to open and have the food, and the teeth has no work to do. And then they started to implement their discuss their means implement whatever the decision they have taken. So for few days what happened, the hand it refused to take the food to the mouth, and this mouth it stopped opening. Okay, it refused to open so that we can have the food inside. And then teeth it has no work to do unless and until the food is inside the mouth. There is no work of for the teeth. What is the function of the teeth? To chew the food, right? But after a day or two, the member begin to face many problems. But after a day or two, the members it begin to face many problems. They do not feel nice. They were feeling very bad. How? Hands said, hands, I can hardly move. Hands said, I cannot move. Okay, I cannot move myself. Mouth said, I'm so thirsty and I'm getting dry. Okay, then legs said, I can't support the rest of the body. So what is the function of the leg? To support the whole body, but it is so weak that it is unable to support the rest of the body part. And the brain said, I feel so weak, I can't seem to remember all the things that I used to do before. And the brain said, I'm feeling very weak and I'm forgetting everything. It is the function of the brain to remember everything. Now the brain is saying, I'm forgetting everything, I'm become very weak, I'm unable to remember the things. Now, thus, they find that even the belly in its quiet way was doing necessary work for the body, and now they realize that even this belly, the stomach, it is also doing its work quietly. Okay, no one is understanding what it is doing, but we are not getting, but it is also doing its function. What is the function of the belly? To digest the food. Once we put the food inside, then we need to digest it in order to get the energy. Without energy we cannot work, right? So they found that yes, the work that the belly does is equally important. Okay, then the brain said the belly works to give energy to the rest of the body. As we have stopped feeding the belly, it is not giving out the energy, and we are becoming very weak. So we must all work together or the body will go into pieces. So it's, and they said that so we must work together, otherwise our body will go into pieces, means we will become sick. Okay, we will be very sick. Here go into pieces means, will go into pieces means to become sick. If the question I give in the exam, that what is the meaning of will go to pieces, you will not write from Google. If you write from Google, I'll give 0. You have to write from here, because here in this chapter how it is used, we have to see that. Okay, I don't want the general meaning of this. I want the meaning according to the text. Okay, so don't write from Google. You have to learn this and write from here. Then all the members, yes, we will work together. Then all the members said, yes, we will all work together because all the part of the body are equally important for us. Understood? This is the end of the story. Thank you and have a nice day.